Hi everybody, this is Ace Takers going to show you my new Sesame Street Racers. So this is what we got.
It says Rails and Roads, Sesame Street, Elmo, and Big Birds for 12 months to 4 years, which Eddie's a little bit above, but he still wanted this toy.
Yeah, there's Grover and there's Cookie Monster.
Let me read the back.
It says,
start your engines. Elmo and Big Bird are off to the races, and preschoolers can get in on the speed-filled fun with these cute and collectible mini vehicles. Vroom! Free rolling wheels, perfect size for little hands.
Okay, we got all ready to show you guys. First one we're going to show is Elmo.
Elmo's waving hello. Look at, he has a little fish. That's his goldfish, right?
Yeah. There's a side of
I don't remember her name. What's the goldfish?
I guess
I can't remember. I have to put it in the text at the bottom when we look it up.
Next one is Big Bird. He's in a nest. Oh wait, there's something stuck to it. Oh, there we go. There he is.
Oh, he has a nest car. I didn't notice that. That's cool. His branches and all that. That's awesome.
And also says Sesame Street there. Oh. Now have a little race. Let's see who wins. There you can say.
Wow!
Big Bird.
Big Bird.
One more race.
One more race.
Okay, let's show it to you. There you can
say. Elmo. Also the championship. You can hit the camera.
Okay, let's see.
Oh, they tied. Okay, that's it for his Sesame Street Racers. You've been dying to get those, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't forget to like, subscribe my videos. Bye.